Y'all, I woke up to a crackling noise in my left ear that will not stop. Just crackle, crackle. My internet research says it's either a buildup of earwax or a brain-eating parasite. So, let's figure that out. Okay, so I thought I heard some crackling yesterday in my ear, but I just assumed I was... Whoa! Oh, reason number 736 why we shouldn't film while driving. I guess I gotta get a car mount, huh? Okay, what was I saying? I woke up this morning and the crackling had gotten worse. Like, it's not doing it right now, it's not all the time, it's just like once in a while, and it's not because of movement, I can't determine any factors that are making it happen or not making it happen. It seems to be random, and it seems, I can't seem to like make it happen. So I don't know what it is. I was being sensational, of course, in the opening, but it's probably earwax, and it should be noted I just went 6 months without cleaning my ears. We'll get to that. I had a good reason, I think. But that's probably what it is. I'm really diligent about cleaning out my ears in regular life. I use Q-tips. You should never use Q-tips, but I do. I have really sensitive ear canals, and it is like borderline orgasmic for me to clean my ears. Is anyone else like that? I know that there are people, but a lot of people aren't that way. Anyway, I'm not gonna stop, I know, but I'm very careful. I don't like pack it in. So I don't think that's what it is. I think what happened, I thru-hiked the Pacific Crest Trail this summer, which takes 5 months, at least 5, or for me it took 5 months. Some people it takes a lot less, but for me it took 5 months, some people it takes longer. Anyway, I couldn't really clean my ears out much. I did a few times, and the times that I did, so much earwax came out. And that doesn't normally happen in regular life, again, because I was so diligent about cleaning them. So I think that's what it is. If it's not that, there are, I don't know about brain-eating parasites, but there are a lot of like bugs and critters and things that can get in your ear and could cause it. I think what's happening is there's probably a buildup of earwax in my ears that I've never experienced before because I'm so diligent with Q-tips, and now I'm in Denver, it's December, it's getting cold, and I bet it's drying out. And oh my God, okay, what is happening? I have to stop while I'm driving. This is so unsafe. The comments are gonna be out of control. Don't comment, I know, and I won't do it again. I know, I won't do it again, I'm sorry. So much happening on a Monday morning. Okay, I'm at Walmart, we're gonna go in here. Apparently they have, this is why I'm at Walmart. Apparently they have one of those ear camera things that connects to your phone. So you can look inside, and then also, I think it has a little like pick thingy. And I've watched enough TikTok videos of earwax removals that I'm pretty sure I'm an expert. So, I don't know. Let's go see if they've got this camera. Hello, hey, if you are sitting there thinking, oh, I want to travel more, I want to go on more adventures, come with me. I host trips around the world. We've been hiking in Patagonia, we went looking for the Northern Lights in Iceland, trekking in Nepal, camping in Banff, Canada, in the Canadian Rockies. We do it all, and we have a real good time. Everyone's welcome, and all the details for any current trips, just click that little bubble up in the top corner, or go to my website, jjb.life/travel. And we almost always make at least one group cringy TikTok. So come hang out with us, we're a real good time. Okay, so this is one of those cameras where you stick it in your ear and it connects to your phone. There it is, it's right there. Okay, it's $34. I'm gonna buy it. It's worth it. Earwax removal system. View and safely clean your ear canal. That's what we want to do. Contains one otoscope. I guess that's what it's called. Okay. What if it's really gross? Oh no. Oof. Okay, I'm back in my studio and I'm home with it. This is $35 at Walmart. It's from a company called B-Bird. To be honest, I can't imagine that it's the highest quality camera, earwax camera, but it's what was available like immediately. So, gonna. Why is this so hard? Okay. Okay, so the way this works is it connects to your phone in some way. So there's obviously an app, I guess, that I need to download of some sort. I don't know. All right. Oh, it might have to charge. Let's find out. Let me read these instructions and get the app downloaded. I'll be right back. Okay, so the app is downloading. Let's see. Okay, to power on, press and hold the power button for 1 second. The blue button flashed, so I think it's on. Let's open this app. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna have to do is register it. Oh Lord, okay. Y'all don't wanna watch this. Let me get things ready to go. And once we're ready for penetration, I'll let you know. Gross. Okay, it's connected. Oh no. Oh Lord, okay. Let me get the camera. Okay, it's working. This is the little device. Okay, I'll put both on the screen so you can see this. Oh, okay. Oh. Why am I being so weird about it? Okay, this is not the one that's crackling, okay? What's in there? What is in there? How do I get around the curve? No, I think it looks okay. I don't see anything. Oh. What's that? No, that looks great. Look at that. Hairy, but no, that looks pretty good. I don't know what that is over on the side, but I think that looks okay. That's fine. Okay. Ew, there's something on it though. Not a lot, but okay. Ew, there's lots of things on it. Okay, here's the one. Let's find out what's going on in here. Okay, why is it supposed to be that hairy? Okay, so I don't think that looks bad, does it? Oh, nasty. Okay, I mean, that's not very much wax, but ugh. Okay, so it's fine. I don't know what's going on. I don't see a weird parasite or anything like that. That was cool to get that stuff out. I wonder if there's more. Yeah. Okay, yeah, well, I mean, this is not much, but I am getting some stuff out. This is cool. I like this. But I'm not finding anything crazy yet. It's interesting. It's that right there that's so... So they look so big on the camera, but when you see them up close, I don't know if it will do it. Oh, how do I make it focus on you? It won't. Come on, please. I can't do it. It won't. It's not into it. But there's not much on there. It just looks like a little... Okay, well, have fun. But wait, that leaves the question, what am I feeling? Why was it popping yesterday? We don't know the answer to that. Ooh, I'm gonna get that stuff. So you obviously want to be very careful when you're doing this. I'm pretty sure that there are no, what do you call an ear doctor? Like, is it an ENT? Is that who you go to? I've gone to lots of ENTs. Is it, oh no, did I make that bleed? I bet I did. Okay, I'm gonna be careful in here. I don't think any doctors would tell you to do this yourself. So I don't want to get crazy. I just really wanted to see in there, and I don't see anything crazy to remove. It looks like it's not too bad. Oh wait, what's that? We're gonna get that out. I don't know if we did. Okay, I don't know, y'all. It was kind of anticlimactic, I think. But that leaves the question, like, what's causing that? I don't know. I guess I'm going to the doctor. Oh, Lord. All right. Well, I'll put the link to this in the description if you want it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's not like the image isn't super high quality, but you saw it. It was good enough to work. So I don't know. It was $35. Okay, so before I dive into this, just a huge disclaimer that I don't know if you should do this. I don't know if this is safe. I don't know if this is safe. I don't know if any ear doctor would suggest that you do this yourself. Your eardrums are very, very sensitive, and it's very easy to cause problems. So just be careful. And I didn't tell you to do this. Okay, right? One piece of advice I do feel comfortable giving you is to not use Q-tips. And I feel like I'm constantly saying do as I say, not as I do, because I use Q-tips. I do. We talked about it earlier. I use them. I'm pretty safe about it though. Obviously it's not causing problems. I'm very purposeful to not like push it in. I'm very gentle. Another thing, I'm very purposeful when I'm cleaning my ears with a Q-tip, not to move, like not to walk around. I don't know if it's true, but at one point I heard that a really common reason for burst eardrums is because people are cleaning their ears with Q-tips and they bump into something that shoves it into their ear. So I'm very purposeful to like make sure I'm not in a space where that's gonna happen, because I don't want my Q-tip usage to get taken away from me. My ear canals are just sensitive. It feels so good. It feels so good. I would equivalate it. Is that a word? Equivalate? The equivalency is, you know, those head massagers? It feels like that. So I'm never gonna get rid of using Q-tips, but you should. That's what I'm saying. So I can't decide if I really need to go to the doctor or not. I'm gonna let it chill for a day or two. It doesn't look like anything crazy is going on in there. So, you know, the internet also said that if it is wax, even if it's not an excess of earwax, that I live in Denver where it's dry and it's getting colder. I guess like the earwax can like, you know, dry, hard, shrink it, and that can cause noise. So I'm gonna give it a couple days and we'll see. I bet I'm gonna be fine. I'll probably pull through. All right, till next time. Bye. Want to watch another video? Click here. Want to learn more about my upcoming trips? Click here. Want to subscribe and like all my videos and turn those bell notifications on?